Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Did our Paleolithic ancestors take supplements? Good question. Well, they certainly had an abundance of wild plants and wild-caught fish and grass-fed wild game. They were eating in that genetically congruent way, the way our bodies were designed to eat. They did not have all the toxicities and deficiencies in their foods, the processed foods. They didn't have the levels of stress, the traffic jams, and the deadlines and the chaos. They lived a congruent lifestyle, and they got what they needed based on that. But in our modern, unnaturally stressful lifestyle, we have to reconcile that we don't live that perfect lifestyle we were designed for. And it's fortunate that it's actually easy to do that. Now, our ancestors, they would have been eating the brains and the organs and then sucking the bone marrow out of the kill that they had and then eating the flesh if they still had room for it. They were getting nutrient-dense foods from those organs. If that's not your way of eating, then there's an easy way to reconcile that, and that is with supplementation. Now, notice that the word is supplement, not replacement. So a supplement really wants to be something that complements an already healthy diet. And then there are still some foundational things that we still need to address. So the key ones are going to be, and again, the word essential means that our body requires it and we can't make it ourselves in our body. So essential omega-3 fatty acids are a key supplement because it contains DHA and EPA, which are exactly the ratios that our body needs for brain health, for cell membrane health, and that affects every function in our body. So we want to make sure that we have the healthy fatty acids and especially the omega-3s. In our modern diet, we have a dominance of the omega-6 fatty acids that is causing our health to go sideways. So if we can get the fish oil in, it helps to reconcile that. Another foundational supplement that's essential is vitamin D. And if you're not living in a very sunny place where you're getting that exposure every day in the middle of the day, then you're going to want to supplement with vitamin D. It is essential for more than 6,000 different reactions in the body. It's crucial for our immune system, for our bones, for our muscles, for our brains. And so we want to make sure that we have the right vitamin D levels. Now, the third category is probiotics. Now, if you're not already eating a lot of natural probiotic foods in your diet, then you're going to want to have a probiotic supplement as well to keep your gut flora lots of diversity and healthy. That's going to help your immune system. It's going to help decrease inflammation. It's going to help your body metabolize foods better and even create some of our own nutrients. Those are the key foundational pieces. Now, the best practices around supplements are to think about diverting your resources, your funds, your money towards things that make you healthier and stronger and away from things that make you weaker and sicker. And so many people are surprised when they tally up the amount of money they're spending on the Starbucks and the snacks and the foods that are unhealthy for them when they could be diverting that into the healthy supplements. And that is a best practice to really look at what do I need to do to support a healthy lifestyle and invest in it versus pretty much subsidizing your illness because you're putting money into things that are making you sick. Now, another best practice is how do I remember to take my supplements? So make sure you put them maybe next to your toothbrush, something that you do every single day. And that's a ritual. And that is something you never miss. So then if your supplements are right there, you're going to remember it. Maybe you need to put your car keys in the refrigerator next to the fish oil so that you remember to do that. So easy way to reconcile the toxic and deficient lifestyle that we have is by taking some key nutritional supplements. Or you could just start eating the brains and the organs. I'll let you decide on that.